there, friends, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am back. I have officially restarted my planning journey here. I did take a break for a couple of months. Honestly, I don't know where the heck the time went, but I am back. And this was the last video I posted. That was the December monthly spread. So for this week, or this half week, I am going to be doing the Hanukkah theme because Hanukkah actually started on November 28th, and I have my Hanukkah stickers. Unfortunately, well, there's not a whole lot out there for Hanukkah, but I got these Star of David stickers on clearance. I love clearance. I got it last year after the holiday season. So I've already pre-cut some boxes, and they are blue to match some of the stars. This is the closest blue I have. I know it's not exactly the same, but close enough. And I also picked out these two washi tapes that I'm going to try using. So my idea for this spread is to do stars kind of in the middle, and then to have my boxes up on top and also down at the bottom here. And of course, I'm going to lay them out nicely. Okay, and then I'll have the stars going across. So let's get started.